Yeah, let's say good morning again. It is the second session for today. The first session we finished Unit 3, and second session we continue to Unit 4. Unit 3 talk about environmental pollution control. Yeah, from Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4. Yeah, it talks about environmental pollution. Yeah, it relates from Unit 1 to Unit 4. But in Unit 4, we have to talk about global warming. Yeah, or you can say causes and effects of global warming. In this Unit 4, there are 4 points. Global warming, number 1, global warming. Number 2, causes of global warming. Number 3, consequences of global warming, or you can say the effect of global warming. Number 4, reduce global warming. Yeah, in Unit 4 in the textbook on page 86 to 89, yeah, this unit is short. Yeah, maybe only 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I will finish my presentation in this video. Yeah, this is the global warming. Yeah, global warming. Global warming is the increase in average temperature. Yeah, increase. Yeah, it means the temperature is up, right? In average temperature of the Earth near surface air and ocean. Yeah, global warming it can make the temperature is higher and higher. Most of the observed temperature increase is caused by increased concentration. Yeah, concentration here, the action or power or of focusing of focusing. I mean, increase concentration in the action or power of focusing of greenhouse gases. Yeah, greenhouse gases. Major gases, water vapor. Yeah, major gases, water vapor from 36 until till 70%. The carbon dioxide from 9 to 26% percentage. Sorry, percent. And methane from 4 to 9%, ozone from 3 to 7%. Yeah, this is major gases. There are there are 4: water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, in command methane, ozone. Yeah, ozone. The last one, ozone. There are 4 here. Yeah, of global warming. Now, 2 causes of global warming: emission. Oh, sorry. I would like to tell you the word vapor. Water vapor. Water vapor means that has a spray water. Yeah, a spray water. It's a substance diffuse, or suspended in the air. Yeah, you can say spray. Yeah, spray or spray. Causes of global warming: emission of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, nitrous oxide, sorry, nitrous acid, nitro, oxide nitrate, yeah, in Khmer, but in English, nitrous oxide extra into the atmosphere. The major source is carbon dioxide. In Khmer, carbon dioxide, yeah, 80%, and 20% by methane and nitrous oxide. So continue to carbon dioxide. Yeah, we talk about 3: carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Carbon dioxide, the major source of carbon dioxide is the power plant. Yeah, the power from the plant, from the trees, yeah, is the major source of carbon dioxide. If we plant many trees, yeah, you can take the source of carbon dioxide from all the trees around us. Burning of fossil fuel for the purpose of electricity. Yeah, burning of fossil fuel for the purpose of electricity generation. About 20% of carbon dioxide emitted in the atmosphere comes from burning of gasoline in the engine of the vehicle. Yeah, the word nitrous oxide means colorless gas with species odor. Fossil here it means the remain or impression of a prehistoric plant. prehistoric plant. The word emitted, the word emitted. About 20% of carbon dioxide emitted. Emitted means its verb. Emission, the previous slide is noun. Emitted is produced or discharged. Produced or discharged in the atmosphere come from the burning of gasoline in the engine from the vehicle, from the cars, from the motor, from motorbike, something like that. Second one, talk about causes of global warming. Talk about methane. Methane is more than 20 times as effectual as CO2. CO2. Or you can say CO2 đấy. In carbon dioxide, in carbon dioxide, and in trapping heat in the atmosphere. The word effectual, effectual means successful or effective. It means methane is more than 20 times as effectual or as successful as or as effective as CO2 at entrapping. Entrapping means catching or tempting heat. Tempting heat. In the atmosphere. Methane is obtained from resources such as rice paddies, bovine flatulence, bacteria in bugs, and fossil fuel manufacturers. The word obtain here means get, acquire, or secure. The word rice paddy is a field where rice is grown. Rice paddy means a field where rice is grown. Bovine flatulence is relating to a significant source of greenhouse gases. It is relating to the significant source. Significant source means important sources of greenhouse gases. Bacteria in bugs, it means an area of wet ground. Bacteria in bugs, it means an area of wet ground. And fossil fuel manufacture, it means in the mass produce or make on a large scale using machinery. Use machine. One more point, nitrous oxide. The main sources of nitrous oxide include nylon and nitric acid. Nylon and nitric acid production. Nylon, what does it mean? Nylon is a touch or is lightweight. And nitric acid, it means a colorless or pale yellow, corrosive, poisonous, or you can say a colorless or pale yellow of poisonous production. Cars with catalytic converter. Catalytic converter is a device incorporated in the exhaust. Catalytic converter is a device incorporated in the exhaust system. The use of fertilizer in agriculture, it means a chemical, right? When we plant the trees, we have to use the fertilizer. We use a chemical or natural substance added to the soil, and the burning of organic matter. Organic matter means organic problems, right? Organic problem. When you use nitrous oxide, it can cause the global warming. The causes of global warming, I want to review it again. It came from the major source. The first one is carbon dioxide. Second one, methane. The third one is nitrous oxide. And now we move to the the moment we talk about causes, and now we talk about consequences. The effect of global warming is increasing the average temperature of the earth. When we have global warming, the global warming is increasing the average of temperature. I mean hotter and hotter, right? Something like that. Alteration in the ecology. Alteration means change or modification, or modifying in the ecology. The branch of biology, including an increasing sea level and modifying the quantity and pattern of rainfall. Alteration in ecology, it means change or modification of branch of biology, including as an increasing sea level. Yeah, increasing sea level. The sea, I mean, is the increasing sea is mean high level, higher and higher, and modifying the quantity, the pattern rainfall. The rainfall have to many the many big rainfall drop the quantity here, and boost the occurrence and concentration of severe climate events. Yeah, severe climate event here means serious, very serious climate events. Yeah, very serious climate events such as floods. Yeah, when we have flood, when the global warming, when in the global warming is when we have global warming, it can affect to the floods, famines. Yeah, famine. What does it mean? Famine, flood. Yeah, flood is on overflow of large amount of water. Famine it means extreme scarcity of food. Heat waves it means a prolonged period of abnormally hot weather. Yeah, heat wave mean can make hot weather. Tornadoes mean one windstorm. Yeah, a storm with very strong wind, but no rain, or you can say a little rain. And the twister is mean it means similar to the tornado. Yeah, tornadoes it mean again is the windstorm, right? A storm with very strong wind but no rain, or it can a little rain. Yeah, from the tornado. All these points we it is a effect of global warming. But when global warming, when we have global warming, the boost of the occurrence and concentration of severe climate event. Yeah, severe climate event or serious climate events such as flood, famine, heat waves, and tornadoes and twisters. The last one of unit 4, reduce global warming. How to reduce global warming? Yeah, when we all want to reduce global warming, you have to practice by 10 simple steps. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Yeah, yeah, 3R, right? Reuse, recycle. សិនបើភាសាខ្មែរយើងមានន័យថាបន្ថយកាត់បន្ថយប្រើប្រាស់ឡើងវិញណាប្រើប្រាស់ម្ដងទៀតអីចឹងជាដើម useless heat and air conditioning change the light bulb by CFL. CFL here mean compact fluorescent lamp. Yeah, compact fluorescent lamp. In Khmer you can say change the light bulb. I mean អំពូលពោះវៀនជ្រូក Try less and try smart. Try less and try smart. Buy energy efficient product. Buy energy efficient product. And use less hot water. Use the out switch. Plant a tree. Get a report card from your utility company. Encourage others to conserve. Conserve it means to protect, right? To protect. The word efficient here, efficient product, I mean well organized product. Yeah, if I would like to inform all of you and all the people in the world, you have to reduce global warming by using 10 simple steps. Reuse, recycle, use less heat and air conditioning, change a light bulb by CFL. CFL here I mean compact fluorescent light. Compact fluorescent lamp. And try less and try smart. Try less but try smart. Buy energy efficient product. Efficient product I mean well organized product. And use less hot water. Use the out switch. Use the out switch of the lamp. Use out switch the other electricity. Plant a tree. Plant many trees. You can reduce the global warming. Get a report card from utility company. Encourage others to conserve. I mean encourage the other person or the other people to protect the tree or to reduce global warming. Yes, that's all everyone. Thank you for your paying attention. Have you have any question, please ask me in Google Classroom. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.